We're doing more than just making machine tools here at Anchor. From the smartphone that you talk on, the car that you drive, or the plane that you fly on, Anchor's had a hand in developing those products along the way. There's nothing quite like it, either here in Australia or around the world, where people get to design a full mechatronic product from the ground up. Whether it's the electrical elements, the mechanical elements, or even the software, we get to do it all. We get to have a lot of fun doing it.
The great diversity in the talent pool here really encourages many different values to be brought into the team. And teamwork is really important to Anchor. It means that everybody gets to share their knowledge, share their passion, and there's growth not only for our products, but for each individual as a person as well.
Anchor's filled with really smart, talented and creative individuals. They're the type of individuals that will create the next generation of innovative ideas, lead us to the latest technologies, whether those be cloud-based solutions or robotics or automation. It's something that our customers will value to help take their own businesses to the next level.
We are a global company where people come from different backgrounds, cultures, and ways of thinking. But we are all working for the same goal. People at Anchor are always inventing new products and technology. We are always facing the challenges with no fear.
Anchor presents a tremendous technical opportunities for those that are that way inclined. It's also a place where you have a lot of potential for growth, an opportunity to be everything that you can be.
If you are looking for a challenging and supportive workplace, if you are ready to explore new opportunities, Anchor is the best place for you.